Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alan Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you how to control the HoverAir X1 drone using an external physical Bluetooth controller. The company 8BitDo came up with a controller specifically for the HoverAir X1 drone with the word hover printed on the controller, but it turned out that the company also have another very similar controller without the word hover printed on it, but it costs 2 to 3 times cheaper than the hover controller. But after testing it, it works just as well with the HoverAir X1 drone, so by getting that, it will save you some money. And that's the controller that I'll be using for the tutorial today. The link to both the controllers will be listed in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's run through the steps on how to connect the Bluetooth controller to the cell phone before you can use it. 2 key things that you should take note of while pairing. The number one is that you should pair it as a keyboard input to the phone instead of a remote controller input as you would for playing games on the phone. The second thing to take note of is that you should always set the input language of the phone to English and nothing else, or else it will not work as a controller for the HoverAir X1. The steps to pair this controller as a keyboard input to the phone consists of 2 steps. Step 1, hold down the start button and the right button simultaneously until you see a blinking blue light. Then click on the select button, hold it on until you see a faster sequence of blinking light. Let's get over to the phone, open up the Bluetooth connection, pair a new device, choose the keypad. Sometimes you'll be met with this screen with the pairing code. This is not what we want, cancel it and just try again. This is the one we want to see. Click on the pair button and that's it, you are paired with the controller. Now let's head over to the HoverAir X1 app and let's turn on the drone.
Current mode, hover.
When it's connected, it will show menu control at the bottom. Just click on menu control. To start using the remote, just click on any of the button and this screen will change to the image of the remote control with the word connected on top. So this will prove that it has been properly connected and usable. You can now go ahead and use this controller to fly the drone. So that's all for the tutorial today on how to control the HoverAir X1 drone with this controller, and I hope you like this and find this interesting. If you do click on the like button and share this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, and more tutorial and review of such will be coming along, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!